How to remove WhatsApp call history. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove WhatsApp call history. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the WhatsApp application, please visit your App Store or your Play Store right here so that you can make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. If not, just click on updates so that you will have the latest features of the app. After you have made sure of that, just head on and open WhatsApp. And from your status page or from any other page, make sure that you're currently in the calls page. So to do that, just click on this phone icon at the bottom part of the screen that says calls. And here you can see your WhatsApp call history, or your history that the calls you have made within WhatsApp. So if you want to remove a WhatsApp call history, for example, if you want to remove just one, just simply swipe to the left on that specific contact and you can click on delete button right here that is in red. Just click on that. However, if you want to delete all the WhatsApp call history, just click on edit right here above the calls text, and you can simply just click on clear right here, and that will prompt a window that can show you the option to clear call history. And there you can remove all the WhatsApp call history all at once. So that is how simple it is, and that is how you can basically remove WhatsApp call history within the app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.